Good afternoon, people of Jamaicans.com. So, here's Sexy Man again. Here's our tour guide. What's your name, sir? Herman. Herman is about to get me into the harness because we are now at Chukka Chukka Tour, something or another. So they have, you hear the announcements going on in the background, right? So we have ziplining that we're about to do. I'm excited. I'm about to step into the harness. David is fixing me, and I have to have hair and makeup done before we zip line because it's gonna be like ah. So I'm about to step into the harness. David is already in his. Let's see your thing going on here.
Yeah, man.
And I'm about to step into my harness so that we can get going with this zip lining business. So you wanna so
yeah, man, we'll take over, man. No, man, we don't need to do that.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we have you, man. We're free now for frame to China. Anyway, so people of Jamaica, all Jamaica diaspora, watch Calibe putting on her harness so we can fly down in the sky. So anybody who is planning to visit Jamaica, this is where you need to be, right? Chukka, Good Hope. Up here is actually
very inappropriate.
Yeah, man, it is inappropriate. You're getting your practice for when you're ready to make babies.
No babies.
Yeah. Well, if you don't make babies, you can make practice.
No practice.
Practice is just as good as making babies. Actually,
Dear
even better.
Lord. Hallelujah, no practice. All right.
And so Bridget is here. Aya, in the house. Yes, indeed. All right.
It's tight.
That's what I want. It's safe.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
All right, so Herman is strapping me in.
Yeah, man.
To
Herman
the
and
point that
David.
my legs can't breathe. I'm about to lose circulation. No bungee jumping today, guys.
Oh, man, we got bungee too, man.
No bungee.
And what other one over the ATV, everything, you know.
Sean, can you keep this in your pocket so we can go
People, you have to understand, this is a place of action and activity. Lots of fun things ahead of us. Anyway, I want to hand back the thing to the lady in charge.
All right, so deep breath. I have to take my hair down because they need to put a harness on me. Sorry, what do you call it? The helmet. I don't want to drop and break anything. I had to sign a waiver that says if I do drop and break anything, they're not liable, but we won't talk about that, okay? So here we are. I don't know if it's too dark or if you can see me, but the harness just went on. David has his already, and I'm about to put on the helmet. Yes, the harness just went on, right? I'm about to put on the helmet. The hair just came down, right? And Herman, whew, it's gonna be too small. I've got lots of hair, so I need the extra large. I need the extra large. Hi guys, if you're watching, remember to say where you're watching from, please. Let us know where you're watching from. I know somebody from Georgia has been on with us every time. We have our regular people from Florida, New York, and London. If you're watching, oh dear. I hope I can hold on to this with the gloves at the same time. So we're about to go on the zip line. If you're just joining us, we are at Chukka Good Hope. Herman is suiting up myself and David. Would you like to hold this for me, Herman? Thank you so much. All right, so Herman is my director for the moment. You got to put on the gloves. Herman, why are we putting on gloves?
Have to protect your fingers from getting running out.
Oh, am I gonna slide?
Holding on.
I'm holding.
To the wire. So
Okay.
if you get scared and accidentally put your finger up there, you won't get scared.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
We hear that one there. Where you go?
Yeah. So you won't get squished if you. Hey, Doxy Code from Spring, Texas.
Oh, yeah, man. No.
Sean, can I ask you to help me with this thing? So hold on to this because I'm gonna double wrap my hand around. I need to double wrap my hand around this so I don't lose the phone. Or do this. All right, we're doing some technical mumbo jumbo here, guys, so I don't lose the phone while I'm zipping down the zip line. Maybe I shouldn't have used my right hand, but all right. So
You want to change it?
no man, I'm okay. So I'm now strapped in. Go work it with the left hand, guys. I don't know how this is gonna work out with the Andrina from Cocoa, Florida, Sandra Chin from NYC. Thank y'all for tuning in. So I'm not gonna be able. If I skip you, I apologize. I can't touch the screen with the. thing. But we want to make sure that we are live streaming the entire zipline adventure. I don't know if this was a good idea or not. I might choke my hand. I don't know. I don't want to change. I don't necessarily want to change hands, but this might be too tight. What do you think?
No, man, I get the breeze.
All right, sorry guys. Sorry that you have to be seeing all these technical difficulties, but we just want to make sure that the experience is the way it should be. So Sean, yes, thank you very much. Would you like? This is Sean. This is one of our co-producers today.
And big time artists.
Big time artists, all kind of fancy stuff. So,
What
what do you think? We should be shooting forward or shooting?
No, man,
Shoot the reactions. They want to shoot me. I need to turn this around somewhere. This, just slide this thing on my hand. No, the loop. Yeah. Thank you. Other direction. Yeah, man. Yes. Thank you. All right. So they want you to see me screaming and carrying on. Yes, I know I'm brave. Thank you. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
The best way.
Thank you. Yeah, too much. I need to be like where my wrist is.
So what are you doing now? You can hold my camera and go down with it?
Yeah, good. Thank you. Alright. Alright, guys. Othniel Watson from Miami. Thank you so much for tuning in. So we're about to go ziplining. They want the camera on me, so when I start screaming, you can see the reactions. Alright, so me and Sexy Man going on the zipline. I don't know what to say. I'm pretty scared. I'm pretty nervous. See Mr. Sexy Man saying his final goodbyes. This is safe, right? 100% safe. All right, good. Herman is lying to us, but anyway. No, I think we're both very excited. Sexy Man is ready to jump on the bungee, and I'm not doing
We're ready for anything.
I know you are.
It's just life, you know, just living.
You say you brought your speedo with you going in the water?
I did bring my speedo, but that I have with me here as well.
You have your speedo?
I have my speedo, but I don't think we need it.
Alright, everybody want to see Sexy Man in his speedo? Cleveland Bailey from Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah.
Alright, if we get 5 votes for Sexy Man in the speedo, we'll put him on the Five is enough?
2.
2 and you're good. Alright, if we get 2 votes for Sexy Man to be in the speedo, we'll put him in the water slide or one of them something there. Be like a soldier, my dear. I have on my helmet. I have on my closed-toe boots. Oh?
You going in the water too?
I'm not going in the water. I'm not wearing no speedo. Sexy Man said I'm putting on speedo.
Not speedo for you.
No speedo for me. No floss for me. No, my dear. All right, so we're soldiering on. Walking down the pathway. I feel like I'm getting ready to walk the plank. So it's going to get a little quiet in here because we're in the gift shop at Good Hope, Chukka. I'm just going to do a quick turnaround in here. They have all kind of stuff like tortuga and jerk seasonings and t-shirts. All right, so we're rushing now because we only have 2 hours to get through all of this. I'm not going to stream for the whole 2 hours. But I definitely want to get in the zip line and some of the ATV action. All right, good. Some people fell off. We had a little bit of turbulence in the connection a while ago, but we are now heading over, walking through the bush.
Practice line is here.
To the zip. Practice line?
Yeah, man, I must explain the things.
Okay. All right, Sean, your finger open. Just turn this around for me, please. Yeah, man. All right, you have 2 votes, Sexy Man.
Yeah, man, ready.
Doxy and Heather says put on the speedo. So after this, we're gonna do the speedo and the water.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Chukka, where it's time to play. Cool?
Yeah, man.
So before I get you on, we have 2 talks for you. I have a safety talk along with a demonstration talk to show you what to do, what not to do. Cool?
Mm-hmm.
So naturally, in any activity such as this, safety is very important. Cool? Definitely. We'll do our best to protect you. Alright? We'll do our best to prevent problems. We use the best quality equipment is available. We inspect our equipment regularly. We maintain them in top condition. Plus and foremost, all your guides that you see have received over 240 hours of training to move you through the tour in the safest manner possible. Still, we're going to need your help to ensure your safety out there. Absolutely. Alright? For that, we have 2 rules and 2 rules only. Rule number 1 is that you should always follow the instruction of your guides. Your job is to have a good time. Our job is to look after you.
Definitely.
Number 2, you don't play with your equipment. These include your helmet, harness, pulleys, and carabiners, especially this one. which will be your primary safety once you're on the platform. So
Okay.
keep it in mind once you see a guide connected like this.
Excellent.
Please do not disconnect it,
Oh no.
or else you might be compromising with your own
Yeah, we're not
safety
doing
without
anything like
even
that.
realizing it.
Excellent. Yes.
Whatever you may need, please feel free to ask your guides. We'll be glad to assist you as we go by, alright?
Alrighty.
Excellent.
Our main method of transportation through the forest is by means of horizontal traverses, we call them ziplines, alright? So the guide will be doing all the connecting and disconnecting. Harness supports your body. The gravity momentum will do the trick of carrying you to the other
Wonderful.
side. Just ride across and enjoy the view.
Wonderful.
Throughout the ride, you keep your hands in these positions. One here on the blue strap, so you don't accidentally put it in front of the moving
Yeah, we'll
pulley.
not do that at all.
Good.
Yes.
The other one here, running smoothly along the road behind you
For break.
to stabilize yourself
Yes.
Okay.
and to brake at the end. Good.
Okay.
Nice.
So during the ride, if you let this hand slide smoothly along the rope behind you like
Yes.
this, you will keep your body in line with the rope as you cross. But if you let it get too close to the pulley,
Then you
you
can
might
turn.
find your body turns sideways
Yes.
or even backwards. If that happens, all you have to do, slide your hand back a bit and you will straighten
Straight.
out. Good?
Nice.
Nice.
Well said.
So in about the last 5 feet of the ride, you might need to brake. To do this, you will pull down on the lower rope with the palm of your hand where there's more padding in the gloves without grabbing or squeezing the line. Good?
Yeah.
Because if you grab or squeeze, you might jerk your arm and
And
you
pull
don't
it
know.
out. Of course.
So this is how you'll brake. By gently
I'm pulling down.
pulling down on the lower rope with the palm of your hand. No grabbing, no squeezing. Alright?
Love it. Yeah.
Alright. So as you cross today, we have 3 signals in which you should look out for. You might get them verbally or you might get them in hand gestures. Good? The first one is this. So if you see me doing this, I'm simply asking you to brake. Good? You're just going to reach up with your most dominant hand, pull down and lower. Or for any reason you're coming in backwards, you might hear me shouting out, brake, brake, Jesus Christ, brake. Cool? Don't get panicked, the line is not breaking. I'm just asking you to pull down. Cool?
Okay.
The next signal is this one. So if you see me doing this, I'm simply asking you to stop braking. Cool?
Okay.
So for any reason you're braking too much,
Yeah.
you're braking somewhere where you shouldn't be braking,
Yes.
you might be seeing me doing this. Cool?
Alright.
Okay.
Excellent.
Next one is this. So if you see me doing this, I'm asking you to bend your knees all the way. Cool?
Okay.
So this is avoid you from hitting your leg into the platform or probably kicking me out of the tree,
Okay.
damaging me in the process and yourself. Cool?
Right.
Alright.
Cool. So for the fun part of it now, if you brake too much or if you hang on to the rope while you're crossing, you may find that you don't make it all the way to the other side. You won't get stuck in the middle, but you might be a few feet short from the platform. Cool?
Alright.
If this happens, you'll need to pull yourself up to the platform. So you're going to reach up, grab a hold of the lower rope, put in your hands in front of the pulley. Note, it's the only time it's safe to do so
Yeah,
because
you
the
stop.
pulley has already come to a complete stop.
Yeah.
Now turn your body to the receiving guide, hand over hand, pulling yourself up the platform.
Okay.
For any reason you can't pull yourself up, my strong friend here will come and get you.
Alrighty, sounds good.
If for any reason you can't pull yourself up, I'll be coming down there to get you, so there's no need to worry. Cool?
Alrighty.
All you have to do is keep your eyes and your ears open for the signals. Cool?
Okay.
So for a quick recap, what does this mean?
This one means that we need to slow down.
Brake. Cool.
Break. Yeah, that's
This
what I
is very
thought.
important.
Slow down.
Yeah, break. Yeah.
Because yesterday I was out there and I gave this signal to a lady.
Yeah.
You tell me what you did.
Accelerate.
You return the signal like this. If you see me
Shall I
do
hear
Alright.
yes.
Alright.
This one,
Stop.
stop, no braking.
Yeah.
Legs up.
Lay legs up, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so guys, my battery is saying that it's under 15%. We've been out for quite a while today, so we may pause halfway through the zip lining. Yeah, when we finish this one
Activity, yeah.
and before the ATV, we'll try and get a quick charge.
Don't cross. Let's supervise the 2 or 3 and let them deal with it, yeah? Yeah, Rocky supervisor. One is on one side. Put a Rocky right up for them.
Alright, so I'm just gonna try and keep this short.
Excuse me, please. Yeah. Now the camera with the stick can't go on the zip line.
It cannot go on this.
It can't go. You need both hands in case you need to break back here.
So I can't hold.
No,
I
it's
can't
not,
hold.
It's not permitted. Not safe to go with it like that.
Okay.
On the camera, on the
All right, guys. All right.
Someone gotta keep
Turn
that
this
camera
around
to
for
the
me.
back.
Turn this around. Alright guys, so I just got a veto. We were gonna try and live stream it. It looks like I'm only gonna be able to take you to the platform, and then we have to go try and do a charger thing or something. So my apologies for getting y'all excited. We don't have a GoPro with us, so it ain't gonna happen this time, but we'll try and definitely do a live stream on the ATVs. I will still take you over to the platform that we're gonna jump off of, and of course I'll tell you about it. I know it won't be the same. I wish I could have taken you with me, but we are walking through the bush at Good Hope at Chukka. Here's the platform. Here's the platform that we're about to get onto. Let me see if I can. Yeah, man. Okay. So I'm gonna give Sean the camera, and he'll narrate in the meantime. But that's where we're going.
I'll chat.
You gotta chat. Of course, you gotta chat, Sean.
That's not my work. I paint.
Sean says he doesn't talk, he paints. But you hear him in the background there talking, right? So we know he can speak. All right. Thank you so much, Heather Angela Smith. I appreciate you. I hope to see you on the other side. So we gotta take this thing off of my hand. Oh boy. All right. I was all
excited.
You might still hear me scream, my dear Sandra Chin. Tie the phone on my head. I should have got some duct tape this morning and do it when we were at the supermarket, but I didn't think about it. And we didn't ask Sean to bring his GoPro, so our bad. Lord have mercy. Yeah. Okay, here we go. All right, so Sean is gonna take it over, guys. Turn it around. Turn it around.
Okay, guys.
Oh, you can. Yeah.
Now, because I'm not as good looking as Calibe, we'll keep the camera in this position. Right, here we go. And there is
Sexy man.
I don't call him no sexy man, but
That's his name.
that's his name? No, his name is Daddy Muir. Right. Hi, Rosemary. Yeah, they'll be safe. Tie the phone to your head. So yeah, so Calibe has to know, tie up all the natty dread, so as it don't tie up in a tree. No, we're not cutting off. And Tiny says he wants to cut off her natty, but we know we won't allow that to happen. Huh? No, well, if you're going to stand up beside her, you have no choice.
David is on? Oh. That's the safety?
You see, she helps you to look good. She helps you to look good.
Oh my God!
Hi, Sandra. Yeah. Huh? No. Travis is not no problem at all. Alright.
No, that's funny. So while it's up, it just close up, it just opens back. No one.
I'm at the back.
Remember guys, we're running out of battery, so you have to be quick. Alright, so here they are. As I'm not much of a commentator, and there goes the guide. And he's off. Calibe, is this supposed to be plugged into something? So who's going first? Tiny, you going next? Is it in the green bag? Okay.
Alright, so if you're still watching, we're still alive for the moment.
Oh, Christine is on, yeah.
I don't know what Christine asking something or
She said you can do it. She said she's a chicken.
I can do it. Thank you, Christine.
The force be with you.
I'm scared, Christine.
She said, Christine said, hurry up before the phone dead.
This one I got dead enough.
Yeah.
And there goes Sexy Man. Say something for the kid people, Daddy Moore.
Bye, Sexy Man.
And there. What is that? I hope Zipline safe, man. No, Sammy. Not me, especially if it's ring. Here goes Calibe. What you mean not going nowhere? Your time now.
This right here. The locking properly.
And she's in a little bit of a tizzy here, guys. But she can do it. Let's go, let's go. What?
Sexy stuck, guys.
Sexy stuck? Then go and bump him out to the way.
So I'm holding on to this carabiner. I'm holding on to the carabiner, guys. Both hands. Alright. So I'm gonna try and not get stuck like Mr. Sexy Man.
Yeah, man. You have to keep your legs high so you don't get stuck.
That sounds very slack, Sean. I just want to point out. I don't appreciate it.
No, keep them together and high.
Okay, together and high. Is that better? Is that less better? Oh my god.
Battery is about fed.
Oh god. Alright. I'll see you on the other side. If it turn off before.
What is this?
If it dies before.
It's still there.
I'll see you on the other side.
Just go and bump Sexy Man out of the way.
Yeah, we need to put Sexy Man up there. Sean, just keep my friends informed in the meantime. Actually, after we go over, you can turn it off and just share.
Yeah.
And then you can plug in.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, baby. Do it too.
Sexy Man gets off the freaking line.
You should have gone
So
first.
I'll tell you guys, this thing is like very much squeezing up my legs. I feel my circulation cutting off. Feels very, very inappropriate.
Looks like it. Wait, tell me, what did it say? Well, I don't know how to. Ross, Lord Jesus.
Somebody said that, Jesus.
Not me and what is? Not me and me. No like heights already. Oh, that's Norma Allen. Say she not like heights already. On a brave, sir.
Whoop, whoop.
She said she not that brave.
Zip, zip, whoop, whoop. All right, ready?
All right.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my
And she's just about ready to go. And here she go. Then turn around and shout to your friends. Keep your legs high. Alrighty, well, we're gonna charge this up now. Alright, so we'll catch up with you guys. We'll catch up with you folks in a little while. Signing off now. Gonna get charge up this battery and come again. Bye. The battery's dying, that's why we have to go. The battery's going. Yeah, but it looks like a whole bunch of fun. All right, so that's me signing off from Chukka. Oh, oops, and there goes one of the guides. Alrighty, so till we get the batteries charged, little more.